top-down analysis on gold, XauUsd. Now, if you're visiting for the very first time, kindly do subscribe because this is where I teach you how to read the charts. No indicators needed or whatsoever. You just need to look at the naked charts and you know exactly what price wants to do. What I teach here is pure price action, no magic, no nothing, just straight to the point and clean trades you're going to be getting monthly, daily, and weekly. All right. So, top down analysis on gold right here. If you don't know top down analysis, you can't really trade gold because you don't even know what gold is planning to do without understanding what is happening directly from the higher time frame. Okay, so now we are on the monthly time frame. Now, if you want to understand what top-down analysis is, I have a video of top-down analysis. Just go to my other videos. In the description of this video, you're going to see a particular video I titled top-down analysis. You're going to be able to understand what I'm doing here. Okay, as for my students already know exactly what is happening on gold right now, but I'm just going to break this down to every other person on YouTube. Right here, look at around the monthly time frame on gold, and gold is looking bullish. As you can see, for months gold has been buying from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, like going to 7 months. Like gold has been on a bullish shit. No matter all the sales you can see on those small pullbacks on the 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame, gold has been bullish for the long time. Okay, so now we go to the weekly time frame. Now look at weekly time frame. I'm going to show you something here. That is why you need to learn what top-down analysis is. Look at gold on the weekly time frame. Now, the previous week, I decided to do this video for you guys because I see that a lot of people don't know the direction of gold. They think they see a little pullback and they are panicking, right? Now, look at this here on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, as you can see, gold has made something. I just got to teach this. Let me just teach this. As you can see what's happening here, gold did this, right? What was the next move? Gold tapped into this strong level. This here is a strong level. This here is a strong level. If you use the line chart, you can see that this here is a strong weekly level. Okay, now it tested it with the week, right? Okay, this week it tested here, and look at what happened here. It tested it with a hammer candle, a bullish hammer candlestick. It tested it with a bullish hammer candlestick. Bullish hammer candlestick on a support level. What does that tell you? It tells you, or it tells me, that the upcoming week it's going to be bullish. It's likely to be bullish. Just this alone should tell you what should be happening on the daily time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. Look at what happened on the daily time frame. This candlestick tapped in here on the daily time frame the previous week. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It tapped in here last week. It just tapped in here. One candle close here. You should already know, anticipate that this market will go bullish. Now, this pullback here, you should already know. Price action is so powerful, guys. It is so powerful. Everything you should be looking for here is bullish. Then we go back the daily time frame. Now, the daily time frame, we want to get a daily bias. Now, what happened here? Look at this. Look at this here, right? Look at what is happening here. You should already know. No guesswork. The way I trade, my students, they think I know the future. They think I'm sort of a magician, but I'm not a magician. It's just a skill. It's a normal skill, like every other skill. It's just knowing what to do. Look at the strike at this level here. What are you expecting? You are expecting a bullish market. This here, it's already telling me go long. And guess what happened? The market went long. As you can see, okay, it's just you understanding price action. Simple. No indicators needed. No RSI needed here. These are just simple things. Okay. Now they see this pullback, they think gold is about to reverse. No, it's not reversed yet. I will start looking for sales once gold take out this level. I want gold to take out this level before I start looking for sales. So anything you're doing above this level, buy, right? So as for swing traders, they will hold their buys from here. They will hold that sell. I will advise you hold your sell until it comes into this level, right? It comes into this level unless it doesn't come to this level. If it doesn't come to this level, your market is still bullish, right? If your SL is somewhere around here, you can break even to this point and watch how the market moves. If it comes here without breaking this level, then I'm still going to be looking for buy, but break this level first with a candlestick before I can start looking for sales. Okay, so you see how this happened. There was double bottom right here. That signifies that this market, it's time to start going bullish. Look at what price action did in front of you. Look at what price action did in front of you. And you would write all of this to this point, giving you 1 to 4 weeks to the word. This is happening every single day. Price action doesn't change. It is the most powerful strategy I've ever seen. Like the most powerful strategy I have ever seen. Guys, if you're new around this channel right now, if you're visiting this channel for the first time, I will teach you how to understand price action. So do yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel, because what I came here to do is teaching, nothing else. No luxury, no show off, no nothing. Just teaching, okay? Teaching you exact skill that you need. You don't need all of those fancy things. You don't need all of those fancy things. Leave fancy out of this. All right. So, what is the plan? What is it I'm planning? What am I planning right here? What am I planning right here? If you look at this, you can see that this is a key level. Okay. What is the plan? What I'm planning here is to get this guy break out this level, test this level. All right. Now, I need to see something like a little bit of a push, a retest, and a continuation. That's on the first scenario. The second scenario, I'm expecting something like this to happen, pull back into one of this level and shoot up. All right, so that is exactly what I'm expecting to happen. As you can see, the first scenario, I started giving us something that looks like that. I'm expecting this. I'm already expecting this movement right here. I'm already expecting a movement from here to here. I'll be expecting a move, but from here, from this last spot to this particular spot, I'm expecting a pullback into this level. So I'm watching right now. I'm watching gold. I'll be watching gold to see what it wants to do. So whatever gold does, I'm with gold. You understand? So if you're a trader right here that trades gold, now what you want to do is you want to take note of this level. You want to take note of any of these other levels in the Fibonacci, and you want to take note of this fucking level right here. See this level here. If it comes in here, then you will look for something like this to the upside. All right. So that is it. But the shortest entry will come out here. At least 1 to 4 risk to reward is supposed to show on this level here. At least 1 to 4. If it comes to this level, I'm expecting 1 to 4 risk to reward to come here. First of all, I want to lock in 1 to 4 risk to reward before we can ride it to the more common days, other days to, you know, I've been riding this for other days, you know. I'm a day trader. I won't want to hold this trade. I don't actually hold trades like this. I don't hold trades for long. I'm a day trader. I don't hold trade for 2 days. But when I put something like this, I'm actually telling you that I'm going long. If it comes in today, I'll go long. Tomorrow I'll go long until certain levels are taken out. in the market. So that's why I kept something like this. Now, if you're coming for the first time, you should understand this one. So what am I expecting here? I've already told you. Firstly, as a day trader, at least I would expect to catch 1 to 4 weeks to reward 161 pips today. As if gold does what I wanted to do, I'll be expecting 161 pips today. But overall, gold, if gold actually buys, we should be expecting something like this. I'll be expecting 573 pips on gold total. Almost 600 pips. I'll be expecting almost 600 pips if gold decides to buy. Right, so that is that for gold. Now, if you like price action, you want to understand how to trade with price action, no complicated indicators, if you want to capture perfect entries, then this is the right channel for you. Do well to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I drop educational videos such as this one. Okay, and also remember, invite your friends, families, anybody you know that is struggling to understand this market, is struggling to trade profitably. Okay, now most traders struggle to trade profitably because of one thing: they try to learn everything on YouTube. Okay, they try to learn everything on YouTube. That's number one. Number two, they try to study fancy things. They don't want to make money just immediately. They want to study all the fancy things, all the fancy trading styles on YouTube. It doesn't work that way. Go with something that is simple, something that can change your life with a minimum time. Just a small time, your life is going to change. Just master this for a few weeks, few months, and you're good to go. You can start raking in that money. All right. So invite anybody you know that is struggling as a struggling trader. Let me do the teaching for the person. Let me teach the person how to be able to become profitable. Don't worry. Invite them. I will do the teaching. Okay. So that is that for this video. See you on the next one.